Welcome back to DECOLOVA, where every home whispers a story through texture, color, and charm. Today, we step into a magical world filled with soft pink florals, gentle green accents, and vintage cottage beauty that feels suspended in time like petals floating in warm spring air. This charming vintage living house tour celebrates elegance without excess, where every corner feels collected rather than decorated. Imagine weathered wood tables, faded floral fabrics, antique picture frames, and delicate porcelain resting quietly on open shelves. The atmosphere is comforting and romantic, blending nostalgia with graceful countryside living. Throughout this home, pink and green dance together beautifully, creating interiors that feel both refreshing and deeply cozy. Before stepping inside, the exterior already feels like the opening page of a classic English countryside novel. The cottage is wrapped in climbing roses, aged stone pathways, and soft green shutters that perfectly complement the dusty pink flowers surrounding the entrance. Vintage garden benches sit beneath ivy-covered windows, while tiny ceramic pots overflow with lavender and wild blooms. The home feels welcoming rather than grand, embracing imperfection as part of its beauty. Weathered textures, chipped paint, and antique brass details give the house personality and warmth. Instead of modern minimalism, this exterior celebrates lived-in elegance, where every crack in the wood and every faded color tells a gentle story of time. As the front door opens, the living room immediately surrounds you with warmth and delicate vintage charm. Soft pink sofas layered with embroidered cushions rest beside sage green armchairs that feel both elegant and inviting. Floral wallpaper with faded botanical patterns stretches gently across the walls, creating a dreamy atmosphere without overwhelming the room. Antique wooden coffee tables display stacked books, lace runners, and delicate teacups that feel carefully collected over generations. Every piece appears intentional yet effortless. Instead of chasing perfection, the room embraces comfort and personality. Sunlight flowing through sheer curtains creates soft shadows across the vintage decor, making the entire space feel alive with quiet romance. One of the most beautiful aspects of this vintage cottage home is its incredible use of texture. Linen curtains sway softly beside distressed wooden cabinets, while crocheted throws and layered rugs create warmth underfoot. The combination of natural materials makes the home feel grounded and authentic, rather than overly polished. Wicker baskets filled with dried flowers add rustic beauty, while delicate embroidered fabrics soften every corner. Even the smallest decorative details contribute to the atmosphere, from aged ceramic vases to antique brass handles on vintage drawers. These textures transform the home into something deeply comforting, almost like stepping inside a cherished memory wrapped in soft pastel tones and timeless craftsmanship. The dining area feels like a quiet gathering place prepared for endless afternoon tea conversations and candlelit dinners. A long vintage wooden table becomes the centerpiece, surrounded by mismatched chairs painted in faded green and blush pink tones. Floral china, delicate glassware, and embroidered table linens create an atmosphere rich with nostalgia. Fresh roses arranged inside vintage pitchers bring life and softness to the room. Open shelving displays antique plates and charming porcelain collections that add character without feeling crowded. The space balances beauty and practicality effortlessly. Every meal here would feel slower, warmer, and more meaningful, surrounded by the peaceful elegance of timeless cottage-inspired living. This cottage kitchen feels wonderfully authentic, blending functionality with delicate old-world beauty. Soft green cabinetry paired with warm wooden countertops creates a welcoming atmosphere filled with rustic elegance. Copper pans hang proudly above the stove, while open shelves display vintage jars, floral teacups, and carefully arranged kitchen essentials. Pink accents appear subtly through fresh flowers, patterned curtains, and charming ceramic details. Rather than hiding everything behind sleek modern surfaces, the kitchen celebrates visible beauty and everyday living. The worn textures and handcrafted elements make the room feel personal and alive. It is the kind of kitchen where homemade bread, warm tea, and slow mornings naturally belong together. What truly makes this home unforgettable are the small decorative details scattered thoughtfully throughout every room. Antique clocks, framed botanical sketches, dried flower arrangements, and vintage mirrors create layers of personality and history. Nothing feels mass-produced or rushed. Each object seems chosen for its emotional value rather than simple decoration. Soft pink candles rest beside weathered books, while green ceramic vases hold delicate garden blooms collected from outside. These tiny details transform the cottage into a deeply personal sanctuary. The home feels curated over time, filled with treasured discoveries from antique markets and family heirlooms, giving every corner a soulful beauty impossible to replicate with modern trends alone. Hidden throughout the cottage are cozy little corners designed for quiet moments and peaceful reflection. A vintage armchair beside the window becomes the perfect reading spot, layered with knitted blankets and floral cushions in dusty pink tones. Small wooden side tables hold steaming teacups, candles, and stacks of well-loved novels. Nearby, green plants soften the atmosphere while sunlight pours gently across aged wooden floors. These intimate spaces create emotional warmth within the home, reminding us that beautiful interiors are not only about appearance but also about feeling. Every reading nook inside this cottage invites relaxation, encouraging slower living and gentle appreciation for life's quiet, beautiful moments. The bedroom inside this charming cottage feels wonderfully calm, like a peaceful retreat hidden away from the noise of the modern world. Layers of soft pink bedding combined with muted green accents create a delicate harmony that feels both elegant and comforting. Vintage wooden nightstands, lace-trimmed pillows, and floral quilts give the room a timeless personality filled with gentle nostalgia. Above the bed, antique frames and botanical artwork add quiet beauty without overwhelming the space. The atmosphere feels light, airy, and deeply relaxing. Every detail encourages rest and stillness, transforming the bedroom into more than just a sleeping area. It becomes a sanctuary where comfort and vintage romance beautifully coexist together. The bathroom continues the home's enchanting vintage story with graceful details and soft natural charm. Pale green wall panels paired with delicate pink floral accents create a refreshing atmosphere that feels luxurious without becoming overly formal. A freestanding clawfoot bathtub stands proudly as the centerpiece, surrounded by candles, antique mirrors, and woven baskets filled with soft towels. Brass fixtures and aged wood textures bring warmth and authenticity into the space. Fresh flowers placed near the sink add a natural touch that makes the room feel alive and inviting. Rather than focusing on modern trends, this bathroom embraces timeless beauty, turning ordinary routines into peaceful daily rituals filled with comfort and elegance. Flowers play a powerful role throughout this vintage cottage, becoming the heartbeat of the entire design. Soft pink roses, wild garden blooms, eucalyptus branches, and delicate greenery appear in nearly every corner of the home. Instead of looking overly styled, the floral arrangements feel organic and effortless, as though freshly gathered from a countryside garden just outside the window. Vintage ceramic pitchers, glass bottles, and antique vases display these flowers beautifully, adding natural texture and freshness to the interiors. The floral elements soften the aged materials and antique furniture, bringing balance to the home's vintage character. Together, the flowers create an atmosphere filled with warmth, softness, and quiet countryside elegance. One of the most captivating aspects of this cottage home is its carefully selected antique furniture. Every table, cabinet, and chair carries visible history through worn textures, faded paint, and handcrafted details. Instead of appearing outdated, these vintage pieces add soul and authenticity that modern furniture often struggles to achieve. Soft green dressers with distressed finishes sit beautifully beside pink upholstered seating, creating a layered and collected aesthetic. The imperfections become part of the beauty, reminding us that true charm often comes from age and character rather than perfection. These antique furnishings transform the home into a living storybook, filled with emotional warmth and timeless craftsmanship. Beyond the colors and decorations, this home represents a slower and more intentional way of living. Every room encourages calmness, comfort, and meaningful moments rather than constant movement and distraction. The soft pink and green palette creates emotional warmth, while vintage details remind us to appreciate craftsmanship and simple beauty. This cottage is not designed to impress through extravagance. Instead, it welcomes people gently, offering spaces where conversations last longer, mornings feel softer, and quiet evenings become something special. The home reflects the growing desire for peaceful interiors that nourish emotional well-being. In many ways, this charming cottage becomes more than a design style. It becomes a beautiful lifestyle philosophy. As promised, we finally arrive at one of the most magical elements of this cottage home: the lighting. Warm golden light pours softly through sheer curtains during the daytime, creating dreamy reflections across vintage furniture and floral fabrics. In the evening, delicate table lamps, antique chandeliers, and candle-style wall sconces transform the home into a glowing sanctuary filled with warmth and romance. Rather than using harsh modern lighting, the cottage embraces soft layered illumination that enhances every texture and pastel color beautifully. Brass lamp bases, fabric shades, and vintage crystal details add elegance while maintaining the cozy atmosphere. The lighting does not simply brighten the rooms. It gives the entire home its emotional heartbeat. Thank you for joining DECOLOVA on this peaceful journey through a charming pink and green vintage cottage filled with timeless beauty and graceful comfort. From floral living spaces and antique furniture to cozy reading corners and glowing evening light, every detail inside this home celebrates warmth, personality, and slow living. This cottage reminds us that beautiful interiors are not always about luxury or perfection. Sometimes the most unforgettable spaces are the ones filled with softness, memories, and heartfelt character. If this dreamy cottage inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue exploring more elegant home design ideas with DECOLOVA. Until next time, may your home always feel warm, welcoming, and beautifully timeless.